big misconceptions is that attraction is all visual, right? It's what you see. Now, it's true that that does play a part in attraction, but the reality is that a lot of the things that make you or a person attractive are deeper than that. They're more subconscious. It's more psychological. And if you possess the things that we're talking about today, it doesn't matter that you're not 6'2", 250 pounds of twisted steel and sex appeal. You will be irresistible. Number one, gentlemen, in terms of small habits that make you irresistible is humility. You're humble, right? In today's world of everybody boasting about how amazing they are and all the ass they're kicking, if you're low-key humble or you've got a modest view of your importance to other people, gentlemen, this is incredibly sexy. Even though you are amazing, if other people think that you're not amazing, oh my God, are you kidding me? Sexiness times 20. Number two is you say no, right? Having the ability to stand up for yourself and not be a people pleaser or a puss, this is something in today's world that makes you automatically more attractive. Whenever we see somebody that says something that's like, oh my God, I can't believe they actually said that, or I don't believe they had the balls to actually do that, right? What happens? You automatically respect them more because they have principle, and they also are standing up for themselves, which is something that is rare in today's world. We have become so conditioned to basically say yes when we don't want to do something, or yes, it's okay when it's not actually okay, or yes, I'll do it when you actually shouldn't be doing it. If you say, no, I won't, gentlemen, sexiness, level 27. Number three is doing something nice for somebody else. This is a little like secret hack that even though like I'm not telling you to do this because of the way that it's gonna make you look or be perceived, it's really amazing what happens. When you help somebody else, a few things happen. Number one, it feels amazing, right? Helping somebody feels incredible. It boosts your self-esteem, it boosts your confidence, and it just feels good. It also makes you look good. When we see somebody that does something nice for somebody, whether or not it's like opening the door for somebody, picking something up, giving up their seat, or helping a stranger, the data's in, amigos. Everybody who sees you do that automatically thinks you're like the sexiest dude in the universe, because we automatically feel a connection. We automatically attribute your niceness or your kind gesture to you being an incredible person, which is attractive. Number four is discipline. In a world of TikTok and Instagram and instant gratification, gentlemen, having discipline and the ability to focus when things aren't fun or exciting, or you're not getting people dropping one of these on your video, now would be the time. Gentlemen, thank you. See, now I'm leaving. I'm kidding, because I'm disciplined. I know that the discipline is automatically going to make me more attractive. It's also going to make me more productive. Also probably going to make more money or be more successful in whatever discipline you go after, which brings me to the next thing that makes you more attractive, and that is being successful financially. Let me give you an example, all right? Take two dudes, right? This dude over here, super good looking. I'm talking awesome, abs of steel, and he's also got a big wiener, right? He's handsome. This dude, a little bit shorter, maybe a little bit of a dad bod. He's not like great looking, but he's not bad looking by any means. He's got potential though. This dude is living on his parents' couch. This dude has $1 million in the bank. Which one do you think a woman's gonna wanna date? I didn't say have a one night stand with, I said date. Seriously, date. Exactly, this dude, of course. It just makes sense. Which brings me to something you can do. Gentlemen, get successful. Now is the time. Side hustles. You've heard me talk about them a bunch because I recently launched the White Label Empire. It is a community. It's also a free tutorial, which I'm going to link to down below. Guys, the deal is this. The number one secret I can give you to make money is start a side hustle. My side hustle this past year that I started for $3,000 earned me $9 million, all right? The fact is, I'm not special. I'm also not that smart, but I was smart enough to put it on paper. I was also smart enough to do it multiple times. And right now, I'm giving away a free white label blueprint. Basically, white labeling, for those of you who don't know, is basically somebody else manufactures a product, you find them, you customize it, put your name on it, your logo, your packaging, and then you sell it, right? You've basically cut out like 90% of the work by sourcing it, and I teach you how to source it. I tell you where to go. I tell you what to do. I even tell you how to find inspiration in terms of a product. Anyway, I'm not going to get into that because I literally did a 20-minute video tutorial where I build a business from scratch right in front of your eyes that you can basically steal and do for yourself. I'm going to link to it down below. Now, once you watch that video, if you want more information or you want to join the White Label Empire community, that is where the magic happens. It's a one-time fee. You join though, and then you get a curriculum. Right now, basically the curriculum is about 30 different videos, right? It's also got tutorials. I've brought in some of my experts, right? Tom from Tiege Hanley, my marketing director. He does a series of videos teaching you how to get a low CAC, how to advertise, how to market, how to network. I've also gotten Josh from Tiege Hanley to basically help you work with influencers influencers and get them to basically do product and promotion for free. I also have Antonio Centeno in there. I've also got Paul, my guy, Pete and Pedro, basically building a Shopify store with you in front of you that basically is going to walk you step by step how to actually do it without any experience or tech knowledge. Gentlemen, bottom line is this. After you take the course, that's where the magic happens, because the community is a group of individuals and potential entrepreneurs that are basically there to support each other, to help answer questions, to help each other grow, and to basically come together. It's amazing. I've been launched now for a few weeks and it is insane. I'm also in there doing weekly live coaching, right? I bring people on as guests to talk about some of the issues they're having. Basically, it is me trying to help you. My goal this year is to help 1,000 of you reach $1 million in side hustle income. If that's you guys, if you're interested in learning more, hit the link down below. Do not wait, because the truth is, I've been broke and I've been not broke. Not broke is a lot better. It also doesn't suck buying your mom a house. Hold up, that wasn't humble. That wasn't humble. I'm just telling you. One of the beautiful things about having money, it's not about the stuff that you can buy yourself, it's what you can do for other people. It's about being the man, being the go-to, being the guy in your family or your friends set or the people you grew up with, being the guy that's made it. Not only does it do amazing things for you self-esteem wise, it just feels incredible. And there's nothing better than giving back to people that supported you along the way. Which brings me to the next thing that makes you wildly more attractive, and that is letting your ego go and learning from people that are better than you. All right, one of the things that drives me crazy is when people like bitch and complain like why I'm not a certain thing or why I'm not good or I'm not making money or whatever, but they don't actually take the steps needed in order to do it. When the truth is that if you would just allow your ego to go away and you actually accepted help from other people that are better than you or know more than you, it's amazing what happens. Not only are you going to grow personally, professionally, individually, you're going to become a more attractive person because you're going to expand your knowledge base. You're also going to become better, whether or not it's fitness, whether or not it's finances, whether or not it's style, it doesn't matter. Get help from the experts. The next thing that makes you more attractive is an even temper, all right? One of the things when I see that I automatically know this person is like a mess is when they freak out and get all mad or excited or whatever, right? The truth is, if you are calm and cool and collected under pressure, it automatically makes you more attractive, because a lot of times when you freak out, when you get emotional, when you get mad and angry and want to kick somebody's ass, you lose, because you have allowed your emotions to rule your action. It doesn't allow you to think through things clearly and calmly. But by having the ability to kind of calm yourself, think through things, and then take action, you're gonna make better decisions. You're also gonna be viewed as more attractive. The next thing that can make you more attractive instantly is having the ability to talk to strangers, right? Making conversation, it's a skill. Having the ability to see somebody, meet somebody, and then engage them. But not just like, hey, how you doing? How's the weather? I'm talking take it deep, because that's another thing that makes you more attractive. Being open and vulnerable, all right? If you drop the act, if you stop trying to pretend like you're something that you're not and you're just human and real, this automatically makes you more attractive. Authenticity, when we feel like somebody is being authentic, it automatically makes them more attractive, because we live in a world of bullshit, right? Everybody's posting all the stuff they want you to see when the truth is, it's not reality. But small talk, back to that. If you have the ability to engage with somebody and then go deep, you connect with them automatically, and you're also going to be perceived as more attractive, because when you make somebody feel special or like you're interested, it automatically boosts your attraction level. The next thing that makes you automatically irresistible in today's world is having manners, right? Saying yes, ma'am, yes, sir, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, gentlemen. That is one of the things. It's so easy to say, and it automatically is going to make the person that you're talking to feel like you're respectable and that you actually value what they said or what they did by thanking people on a regular basis, whether or not it's somebody opening a door for you. True story. Yesterday, I'm at Starbucks. I see this woman all dressed up, all like sassy, right? She was carrying something. So what do? Because I'm a nice dude, I open the door. She didn't even look at me, and she walked through, never saying thank you. And I'm like standing there like, are you kidding me? You're not even gonna say thank you or look at me or acknowledge, give me a head nod, like anything? And so she walks through, I'm like, this bitch, right? And I say, you're welcome. Nothing, like literally nothing. This woman, honestly, I hope her husband's cheating on her. Which brings me to the next thing that automatically makes you irresistible, and that is being loyal and faithful. Gentlemen, here's the deal. The reason why dudes that are in relationships or have a significant other are viewed as like more attractive is because these other women that are out there looking for a good dude are like, wait a second, somebody got him. I wonder if I can tempt him, lure him with the spicy body, right? A little bang, right? And if a dude is like, yo, whatever, no, I'm not even looking. You don't acknowledge, you don't flirt, you don't take the bait, automatically you are the sexiest dude in the room.